Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is Jenny from LaShenny21Nails. Today I'm sharing a quick review and demo of these beautiful nail foils from BeautyBigBang.com. As a base, I have already applied this gorgeous Beauty BigBang nail polish. Here's the item number, and I'll have it linked in the description box of the video. This is the beautiful set of foils that they sent me, and this is the item number. I'll also be using the foil glue, and I've picked out the one with the beautiful unicorn images. I'm going to cut out a small piece for my pinky, and I'm going to test it out first because I want to make sure that I'm doing it on the right side. This side feels more smooth, so I think this is the side that's going to go on my nail. So this is a tiny little image. I'm going to apply the foil glue now. And we're going to wait until it gets clear again, which means it'll be dry. So the foil glue has dried, and we can tell because it's not white anymore. So I'm going to go ahead and place the foil piece right over it and press it down. I really hope this is the correct side. And I'm going to use my silicone tool to press it down, make sure it's really sticking to the nail so that it transfers nicely. Let's peel it off. Looks like it's the right side. Wow, that is so pretty. It worked. So this is where the image was. And now it's right on my nail. I just realized that I put it on my nail upside down because I was so focused on trying to make sure it was correct on my nail that I didn't realize when I hold my nails like this, the little unicorn is going to be upside down. So I'm going to do the rest of the nails the correct side. Since my nails are so short, I can really make good use of these. I could pretty much get 2 out of each piece I cut. Let's apply the foil glue. Now that the nail glue is dry, let's go ahead and apply the foils. It has a little bit of a wrinkle here. I don't know if that's it's probably gonna affect the image. Alright, I'm ready to peel it off. Oh no, I applied the wrong side. This is what I was afraid was gonna happen the first time. I must have flipped it over. So let's flip it and try it again. That's the tricky part for me with foils. So there it is. I think I got this one right. Yeah, I guess you don't really need to press it down as much. If you get it the right side, it'll stick to the foil glue really easily. Wow, that looks beautiful. Wow, look at that. And there it is. I wanted to apply a top coat real quick to see if it will affect the foil. If you use a regular top coat, it will definitely affect the hollow, so I'm going to recommend that you use a water-based top coat. Once the water-based top coat dries, then you can apply your regular top coat over that. The water-based top coat has dried and you can still see the hollow effect, but in this one you can see how it totally took it away and it just looks like silver. And here's the completed manicure. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was really easy to do, and as long as you get the foil on the right side, then you're gonna have an easy time creating a beautiful manicure. I'll have links to the products that I used in today's manicure in the description box of the video, as well as a discount code you can use if you make a purchase on BeautyBigBang.com. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!